Yo, yo. All right, so I got a request from one of my founding members over at Substack, and they requested me to do a chart here, and this is SKLUSD. So I promised I would do that. Let's do a quick chart here. This is pretty simple, guys. We have been consolidating on this particular coin token since 12th of March 21. And so, very many days. What's the maths on that? 8 months, something like that, almost 8 months. And we are squeezing tighter and tighter and tighter, kind of like a coil, like a spring. We're ready to explode out of this triangle. At least that's what I feel. But there are some cautionary notes and tails we have to um, put our fingers on and make note of. One of them is this bear cross right here. Now, with bear crosses or golden crosses, they're generally lagging indicators. So I wouldn't place too much stock on that for future price action, especially when we take the overwhelming aggregation of data from all of our other charts. Everything seems to be pointing toward uh, an upward move soon. And so in this particular triangle, we have not only that as a lagging bearish indicator, but definitely have some significant hurdles to cross before we get out of this triangle. And I think that's one of the things traders in this token are struggling with. We have to get over this 50-day. This is a significant level of resistance, runs straight almost through the middle of this triangle. And then, of course, we have to come out on the upside of our triangle here. So there has to be some big, powerful bull movement in the altcoin market relatively soon to push this coin up. I do think that's going to happen, and I do think it's going to happen soon, like within the week or the beginning of next week. We're going to see some massive upwards trajectory in both in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of the altcoin market. And there is getting to be a tighter and tighter correlation. We're seeing a coupling of the price action between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the altcoin market. Though altcoins definitely still do lag, especially the smaller cap. But one thing to be careful of here, you can purchase on this particular coin anywhere in here. I would be careful to place your stops outside of this, parallel with this bottom upward ascending blue line, trend line, the bottom of our triangle. You don't want to place that too close, however, because you can see that the market movers will take us down. And then as soon as they trigger a fair amount of stops, they're going to buy at a discount. And that's going to bring the price right back up. All right. So you do have to be careful of that. And I would say just, make sure your stops are placed at a fair distance, running parallel below this blue ascending trend line. Outside of that, one more thing we can do, and I've already done here actually, is where's my fib? I did a fib retracement. All right, so I pulled this guy from the low when we first entered the market on Coinbase to the body high. And that gives us, well, actually, that's not the body high. What am I doing here? I don't think I actually moved that up yet. I think that moved around on me. All right. So we want to go from the body low of our first candle to the body high. That's more like it. All right. Move this guy over here. And you can see that we do have a target here. I'm going to zoom back in. We have a target of 70 cents, and that's right in line with this 0.786 Fibonacci. Let me circle that area because that is highly significant. A great target. I mean, we are going to go up if we break out of this triangle, and 70 cents would be my projected target on this. So right now, what are we at? 33 cents. So you're looking at over 2x your your entry price from this level. And of course, if you play the levels along the way, I will draw those out for my subscribers. You definitely can do better than 2x. You may even be able to do 3x. And that's the advantage of learning how to trade levels, which I teach at studamas.substack.com. All right, so best of luck to you guys if you're entering this trade or thinking about it. I'm sure you'll do well. There was one other thing I wanted to mention, fails to come to my mind though. It's been a long day. I've been doing a lot of this stuff. All right, so anyways, stay safe out there, guys, and best of luck to you.